various elements can vary from anvil to anvil. The key features of the standard anvil are typically a horn, a step, a face, a harpy hole, and a pritchel hole. Over the centuries, the common shape of the anvil has evolved from a simple slab to the shape that most of us associate with an anvil today. Primitive anvils were typically made of stone, often just a slab of rock. Anvil shape has evolved greatly since the earliest anvil-like objects. Some anvils also come with multiple horns of differing shapes and sizes. The first metal anvils were made of bronze, then wrought iron, and finally steel, which is the material of choice today, though cast iron is also used in low-end anvils. Associate with an anvil today. But by today's purification standards, this is no longer the case. And who designed the first anvil?